Oga Piko. Iya ku mu gwi jim kita. Me wa pia 1 naira makachi. Me ada me ekwo aswala mundo isu mundo mbido n'isi. Na achọ gị sinsi ị na-amị ya fide na-eri smart. Ona nwa gị na nkola akịta mpachi nyekwa m ego a. Nyekwa m ego a ka m fie. Ona ngwa gị aka ọ dị atụ m ilu yi.
Are you mad? Alana again. Do you know who you are talking to? My friend, are you suffering from catatonic schizophrenia? Are you suffering from acute intoxication of cannabis plus or minus the enyemakangwa of psychosis? You're a stupid man, Ibonyala. Who are you talking to? Do you know who I am? Do you know the type of degree I have? I have BHc in Automobile English from University of Calabar. I have MSc in Tetrasonic English from University of Nsukka. Then I summarized it with PhD in the Kwaskwassos English.
Where you? I said you went here. Nah. No go eat him. Can I show you more? No go lie.
Yes.
Asamundo. Almost. What can I show you? So to us magora. Hey, Chileken now.
See, let me summarize it. You know me. You know when I try to reason from the cognitive atmosphere of my thalamus. This person here is suffering from acute intoxication. He's a madman.
Asus na vina suke kedi wo me no ina.
Even a man be mbute goro. Ndara ke ginyecha ma ogwu nwuo. Ese mu nde use condom steady. Na condom akona na bem.
That's not gonorrhea, that was syphilis.
Ofia
oh,
for ya ko. Thank God about COVID-19 at least.
Wa godi mo yifuto na ko.
So you need to see condom steady. Condom ada akona apam. In fact, if you am akona pepper condom. The last one who were last night around 12 from Taban, Ndobe. I have one stepped by jumper. I go by Panyon, Camado. Ima Cosiade, or call my cow, see no one and the children condom. And I'm boy, go to. Okay, as I know, Moasukan, help, and see I pick up my cap by the last one. Toto.
Before money mass.
Somebody must know, there's somebody must know. Okay, you go to your work and once you come by a CD. Come on, Charo, Kirakata.
One.
Condom.
My friend, you are swimming in the quagmire of fallacy. What are you talking about?
Dimbaraka in ebu condom ebu. Ebu cheki blue condom.
Are you mad?
Na so gonna go ibojile.
Are you a madman? Are you also suffering from psychosis?
Ma bali ko onye no ibo onye obodo.
Ojo say ma so ibo.
Anyway, you people are not even my level.
We are not incompatibility.
Mpunu incompatibility.
What
na gwa mo.
Nonsense and ingredients.
Nonsense and ingredients. Ina so ibi na itile. Oya sebefo. Oye bu.
Say no elementary canal.
Ibe elementary canal.
But you don't say school.
It is very obvious that two of you are victim of psychosis and acute intoxication.
Idiot.
Why are you embarrassing yourself? You think you can embarrass me? You remove your clothes, you think I'll be scared of you? Do you know what I do to people? You know here in Abalimo, condom will go. I give you the money. How much? How much is the legal tender? Idiots. You know, fools, idiots.
You can't also know intoxication of you mean? Are you mean?
I never go.
You want to since. That's what I mean. Why you okay? Intoxication. Don't worry. Make a condom. Don't worry. Can't you buy a carton?